What's up guys, today's day 1602 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're not in our van right now because we're in New York, and this is a day in our lives in New York. We're here in New York to visit family and for Rena to do her pregnancy checkup. As we broke the news yesterday, Rena is pregnant, and so that was the main reason why we're in New York, is to visit her doctor, her gynecologist. Today we're gonna be heading over to IKEA. We're just gonna kind of spend some time there. My mom is with us right now, so let's see if we can maybe buy some stuff, set up the room a little bit better, and maybe pick up like a children's desk for Spencer, because we're gonna be coming back to New York quite often this year because of the checkup and stuff for the pregnancy. So let's head over first. Is it in season right now?
Baby. Come here, baby. Vậy các bạn. Đi à, baby. Baby. Đi ba hủ tô. Hay à, hủ tô.
We're also looking at IKEA to see what we can use in the new van build. We want to change up like the drawers and the closet area and make it a little bit simpler, but we'll see if IKEA has anything that could work for the new build. It's cool, right? Little water dispenser for camping or outdoors in the backyard. Let's go up the escalator. Yeah, that's a good design. Like we can do that. It's better too because yeah, we can do some like big drawers. Like for the van, we're thinking maybe do big drawers like this, and we could just lock one drawer, and then within the drawer itself could have like multiple drawers. Yeah, we're kind of just stealing some of these ideas for the van. Yeah.
And then this one will be like big enough for like pots.
Yeah, I think that'll be a good design. You want to do it something like this?
Yeah, like all the closet.
Yeah, it definitely will keep the weight of the van down by using these for the closet.
Like two sides.
Yeah,
Speaker and
that's a good size. I think that's a good size. That's a great size. Yeah, because we're thinking for the drawer system. Would you want doors on the drawer like this?
I think you need to,
Yeah.
because otherwise pretty much
Yeah. The main thing is like we want to make it so we want to make sure the baskets actually can fit like the depth of how the van is gonna be, because like these are pretty standard sizes. Like this one might work, but I don't know how deep this can go. Like we got to make sure the measurements work. But I think this system would kind of work. Something like this, maybe just 3 of these or 4 of these like that. They can work. A wall. I've seen people use like the IKEA.
Oh, I don't like it.
It's fake, right? It's very fake. But I've seen people use like the grass type thing for the kitchen backsplash. They cut it up and it looks really nice. But maybe not this kind.
People use the real moss.
Real moss?
Stick on it.
Oh, really?
But then I guess you have to like spray water on
If you
it.
forget or you leave your van for like 2 weeks, it'll die.
It's on sale. 19.
Like this is a pretty good size, right? You can put a lot of pots and pans in here.
Less than 18 is good.
Yeah, but then you gotta check the bottom because like it's not just that, right? Like it's you add another inch on each side.
So that's why I said I need to like less than 18, then it's good.
Yeah. I mean, we can look at other options because we want the ones that have you can put the board on top or like a rack or something. Those are the ones a little bit more like space efficient. Like a bar in the back.
Like we can hang stuff on.
Yeah. I don't know. I kind of don't want to put a bar because once we start having like a bar, then everything is just going to be out on display, which is kind of like what we have right now. It just looks really messy. But this is a really nice knife rack here. Magnetic knife rack. You're thinking farm style, right?
Yeah.
This is really big.
Because you don't need to be like inside.
Yeah.
You know?
Something like this could work, but not this big though. This is like a double sink.
I don't need double sink. I just want like one single one, but then it's a farm style.
You saw the farm style that has like a rack, right? On top.
Yeah, I saw one on.
There's a single here. This is really big too. How big is this one? 19. Yeah, it seems like a little bit too big.
But then you can like have like an inch or two out.
Yeah, but this is still 19 though. Which means like from here to here is like
18.
18? Yeah. I don't know, we'll see. It's a little bit thinner than the butcher block that we had, but these are like the compressed wood. So you can't really cut it without it being messed up. They're all like that. Hey! So funny, Spence. Are they gonna be too heavy? It might not be too heavy. I mean, it is really heavy, but it's very hard to cut and stuff. Like you need to specialize, like yeah, the saw blade to cut these. Yeah, these are super thin though. Like, and save a lot of space. Yeah. You can cut on top. Cut things on top.
But you can like clean it very easily.
Yeah, it is.
won't
It's true.
stain it.
Yeah. We can do something like this with the drawers. Just like a wire rack drawers for the closet. That will save a lot of weight. Something a little bit deeper. Kind of seeing what kind of options they have here. I think this size could work. This is like pretty deep too. Alright, something like that would be pretty good. Yeah. It depends on like how wide it ends up being, and then we can kind of decide which one we'll get. Because the closet's gonna be the last fitting. We gotta fit all the major components first. Yeah, whatever has left is the closet space. Seems like IKEA has a lot of different variations and sizes for the wire racks. So we'll see. That's like kind of the last phase of the build, if anything. Just putting in the closets. Yeah, this is pretty good size. Put everything. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty good quality too.
Then maybe I need
Long.
two drawers.
Yeah.
Then maybe you take one.
I need two too.
Oh, you need two.
I
Then I
need two.
Then I need three.
I mean, the height is not bad, right? Like this is 3, so you get 2 and I get 2, so like it would be here. You know, and then we can just add more to it. Like, because we have like basically floor to ceiling is one closet.
That's our only closet.
Yeah, we're thinking something like this will work. But let's see. Oh, this is new. A Swedish restaurant and cafe. They specifically sell coffee and stuff here. Yeah, sandwiches here. Yeah, and some juice. Let's go get some actual food. What do you want to eat, Spence? French fry. Ooh. Mama got the codfish here. This is new. They never had the garlic codfish before. Garlic lemon codfish. Maybe we'll see some airplanes here. You want to see some airplanes? Yeah. See if we see any airplanes. Pretty good. Oh, oh, there's an airplane there, you see? Right there. We're leaving IKEA now. We're making our way back to my parents' house. We're gonna drop off my mom, and then later on tonight we're gonna head out for a dinner at a really nice hot pot spot in Staten Island, and we're gonna be meeting up with some friends. We're making the drive over to the Chinatown of Staten Island. It's what I call is not officially the Chinatown of Staten Island. It's just a block with a bunch of Asian Chinese restaurants and bubble teas and stuff on New Dorp Lane. And the spot that we're going to be having tonight is an all-you-can-eat hot pot spot called KC Hotpot and Barbecue. It's a spot that we frequent here in the island, and we're going to be meeting up with some friends.
Definitely dojo.
This is the spot that we're having dinner tonight. KC BBQ and Hotpot. We really enjoy this spot because the price here is really reasonable. It's, what's today? Today's, this is the noon one, so it will be this one. It's $32 per person, and their food here is pretty fresh. The meat quality is pretty high as well. You guys will see. Let's get seated. One of our friends are here. And we have a fairly big party tonight. So we got a party room. Karaoke. Thank you. We'll do some karaoke too. Karaoke mics here. Hi Daphne. Hi Kenny. Yay! Welcome past You want to do some karaoke later, Spence?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to sing? Do you want to say hi to baby Asher?
Có tay ngang rồi.
Nhắm, tất cả vào.
Hi.
Kenny phiền đó. Hello, Spencer.
Say hi to Uncle Jeff.
Can you give high five, maybe? Nice.
No, like
Yeah.
how?
Fist bump. He knows.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, they know it.
Xích cả
Can we do a high five?
High five, we xích cả. High five.
Oh, high one.
Yeah.
Nice. That's good.
Yes.
Baby Cecilia. Hi.
姐姐。
Chị Kim à?
Yeah.
Tôi第一次見過之前，幾時
BBQ 咯，搭車嘅。
應該 yeah。
嗰時我
拍得過啲，係啊，跟住佢過咗啲，因為過咗啲聽日拍得衰。
我開出去擺啲。
Some of the food is here already, and we got our soup bases first, and we're just kind of chatting. So let's go get some sauce first before we eat. Here's the sauce bar. Yeah, everything is here. Got all the plastic sauces here. We're just gonna do the sauce. Let me show you guys what they have here on the self-serve hot food section. This is the golden buns, zamanpao. You got some sweet donuts here with sugar coating, some French fries, and some spring rolls and seafood pancake. It's funny that they're using plates here because today is a weekday and I guess they're not too busy, so they're not filling up this entire tray here. And then here is the dessert section here. Raspberry mousse cake, round puff, and some herbal jelly. This looks pretty good. Herbal jelly with boba tea. This is probably really tasty. Maybe Spencer's probably gonna like this later. Got long an here, kimchi, and some other appetizers here. And then drinks are also included. You got some soda here, some bubbly soda, iced tea, sparkling water. Alright, let's take some of the food that we ordered here. We got some bad fatty beef here. This looks like, is this beef tongue? Looks like beef tongue. Some brisket, some veggies. You got some seafood here, seafood platter, including some shrimp paste here. Oh, there's a mix with some beef tripe, beef stomach. Oh, they got the abalone. This is one of the reasons why we like the spot so much, because they give all you can eat abalone, and they're really, really good too. We usually eat a bunch of these guys right here. And oh, they got snow crab too. That's pretty cool. And mushrooms, spam, some of those fried tofu skins, and some tofus here, and snow ear. More noodles and stuff. Oh, udon. Is that for Spence? Thank you. Alright, let's put it in here, Spence. Let's have some udon. Udon. Let me show you guys kind of what they have here. Oh, that's one of them is the ribeye. It looks like. That looks pretty good. Got lamb here. All the meats can be ordered through here. All the food is here. They sold out an oyster. Oh, they sold out on crab. Oh no, that's what we came here for. You're like, everyone is saying how good the crab is nowadays. And we really enjoy the crab here, but too bad they don't have any more. Oh well. Spencer got some udon. How's the udon? It's kind of hot. I see it smoking. Is it a little hot? Yeah. And I got some of your favorite shrimp paste there. You like the shrimp paste here?
I don't remember.
Give it a try. Let's put some abalone in here.
Thank you.
I think this is the regular fatty beef. Let's give it a try. Let's try it out. A little bit of the sauce. It's nice and fatty. Pretty good. I like the beef to fat ratio on these fatty beef. Pretty good. And they were saying how good the beef tongue is. So let's throw in the beef tongue. It looks pretty good. Nicely thin too. Beef tongue right here. The beef tongue is good. It's got a really nice texture to it. It's like a nice chewy texture to it. It's really flavorful. Nice and beefy too. Pretty good. Let's try out their abalone right here. Cheers. Really tasty. Nice texture to it. Really chewy. It's a really sizable abalone too, but really good. Lena really likes the fish here. What kind of fish is it, you know? Don't know what it's called. Choyongwan. Here. Carp? It could be. It could be. Are you guys gonna do some karaoke? Start early. Karaoke. Hi, Nate. Yeah. You smile. Yeah. Uh-oh. Cheers. Yeah.
我獎冇坐中餐㗎嘛。
One, two, three, cheers.
Check it. Yeah. Bye-bye. We just got done with dinner. We had a lot of fun with our friends, and Spencer got to play with their kids as well, which was really nice. The food here was pretty good. Super disappointed that they didn't have the crab. I mean, we really look forward to having some of the blue crabs there. It's in season right now, so it would have been really, really good. And the beef here was pretty good. The fatty beef was okay, and the ribeye was actually a little bit too lean for my liking. It's not really that tender, not a lot of fat in it, so it was decent. And the fish was really good, and everything else was okay. I didn't really have too much of the other stuff. Overall, this spot is pretty good for $32 per person, and yeah, we had a pretty good dinner. We're making our way back to my mom's house now. It's already like 10:22, so it's really late. It's kind of already past Spencer's bedtime. By the time we get back, it's gonna be like 11. So we're gonna probably just get ready for bed when we get back. We really want to do a Q&A. We haven't done it in a few days already, but tonight there's no way we're gonna be able to do it. So maybe tomorrow or maybe the day after. But we definitely need to catch up on some of your questions that you guys have in the comments. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. It's like I said, it's like almost 11 right now. Spencer and Rena, they're both taking a shower, bath. And tomorrow we are going to be, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow yet. But if you guys want to keep watching our time here in New York, be sure to hit that subscribe button so they get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.